Do you ever wish your images had that high-end finishing touch? Maybe you want to master skin or hair retouching, or have your images appeal to bigger clients. Or maybe you want your work to have that glossy finish that can just take it to the very next level. Specific editing techniques can easily take a shot from average to a real showstopper. This is why I've created this in-depth retouching class for you. I'm Rossella Vanon, and in my career, I have retouched images for clients like Vogue, L'Officiel and Elle, to name a few. In this retouching class, I will show you how to edit all beauty elements from beginning to end. Eyes, hands, lips, and even the hardest ones like skin and hair. It's all in one place. I will teach you how to tackle these elements in depth and even in challenging situations. Messy hair, dry lips, chipped nails, you name it, we've got it covered. So by the end of the class, you will be able to confidently deal with anything, including the worst case scenario. I will also guide you through editing 2 different images from start to finish, showing you my workflow, how to creatively color grade, how to edit multiple images from the same shoot, use actions, and much more. I have 7 in-depth tutorials for you that cover all you need to know about high-end retouching for beauty and portraits. So, whether you're a photographer or a retoucher, join me on this course as I show you the most effective retouching techniques that can take your work to top editorial level.